Good morning, first graders. Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020. And can you believe it? Including today, we only have 4 days of e-learning left. I can't wait to see what we can accomplish in those 4 days. Let's go ahead and start our day with the kindness pledge. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Friends, so some of you are going to be seeing me later this morning in a Zoom presentation if you signed up to do your rainforest presentation this morning. So I'm excited to see those. And I will see some of you tomorrow because some of you have signed up tomorrow to do your presentation. I can't wait to see all that you have learned about your rainforest animals. I know that you guys have become experts on those. The presentations that I'm seeing, the Google documents that I'm seeing come into my drive, they all look awesome. And so I'm so excited to hear about all of your rainforest animals. As always, friends, make it a great day and click the next slide to do the pledge and hear the announcements with Mr. A.